Good night, everyone. No night along New Zealand. We want to make a small talk along you fell everyone. Long next passage long 1 Timoti, 1 Timoti 6, verse 1 kasem 10. Long place Paul he talk long Timothy about contentment. Where hemi fassen where money glad, long stop, long fassen where hemi stop holen, long time where God is sing out him. No narre fassen, long tell him out contentment, fassen where money glad, long stop, long fassen where God he find him. First time you may read him verse 1 kasem verse 1 Timothy 6 verse 1 kasem 10. Verse Timothy 6 verse 1. O Christen man var oli slave, oli mas honor good long o master blong o geta. Blong bambai o man oli no save talk no good long name blong God. Molong o talk blong yumi. Mo o geta va master blong o geti Christen man, oli no save make him fassen va oli talem se master blong yumi o sem brother mo blong yumi no mo. Now will he know honor good long hem from. O geta oli stop walk blong one Christen. Man will he love him. Now from something time will he stop make him work blong him, or he must work strong more. O geta something you must teach him all man long him. More all time you must tell him strong, long o geta blong oli follen. Suppose one money stop teach him all man long narrafara talk. Mooi no want him all to talk with Jesus Christ, master blong you me, tell him out. Man all semi no good. Hemi no honor good, long all talk me teach him you me, blong honor long God. Man all sem, hemi no save one something nothing, be hemi proud to mas. Man we want him ask him all question, more we want to make him too much talk long plenty something, blong roud no more, hemi kanky no more. Fassen is stop make him all man ollie jealous. Molly stop ser out. Molly stop talk no good long name blong narafale man. Molly stop ting no good long ogeta. More time molly stop rauw. Bij hem fassen blong all man be ting blong ogeti he no stret. Molly no save one him something ollie stop talk about. Ollie stop ting se fassen blong you me from belief long God. He one road blong win him money blong come rich man. Yes, die true. Fassen blong belief blong yumi, I one road blong man, I kasem planty something. Be road blong man no more, be save harem good long wanem something we hemi got. Fassen blong belief, back again, I road blong man no more, be save harem good long wanem something we hemi got. Time you be born, I come long bo you me no harem want something. More time you me dead, bamba you me no carry on something and go with him you me. But suppose you me got kakai blong you me, more close blong you me, hem enough. You me save a harem good. Or man vol he want him gaan rich man, by all time, all something blong try him you me, or he stop make him or get all he fall down. All something vol he want him, where he kanky, or where he stop spoil him or get her, he also him trap blong kassem or get her. Now fassen blong want him every something, hem is have make him ogeta all he fall down, but life blong ogeta he come no good ogeta. Fassen blong like a money to mas, hem is stamba blong ogeta fassen no good. Mooi got some man wol he strong blong vollem fassen Now will he go away finish long fassen blong believe. Will he stop make him all something, ogeta too, will he harem no good to mas from. Hem he talk blong God, long Paul, long Timothy. By me pray small now, Papa God, you high God, you God long me fella, everyone. And my fella ask him where now you give hand long me fella everyone. Time me fella he study talk blong Paul, long Timoti, long chapter 6, long small letter ja. Papa God, Paul he teach him Timothy, and he remind him long plenty something, where he good, where he stop long life blong me fella. Now ja, please give hand long me, time he make him tell him out, small talk ja. Please give hand long every man where you hire him or think about him. Where he good, where o get ja, he hire him talk ja. Papa God, thank you long talk blong you. Every half blong him. Now ja, 2 time me fella talk about letter blong Paul, blong Timothy, bij Piccanini blong him. He know stret Piccanini, bij Piccanini too long believe blong him, blong two fella. Thank you, Papa God, long talk blong you. Me fella prayer long name Jesus Christ, Master, my Savior blong me fella. Amen. Allee, we talk about contentment. Vasten waar man niet glad blong stap, blong vasten waar God die find him. Paul staat in chapter 6, but the man talk blong Christian man blong walk. Man waar je slave, naar een man die own him. Maar really about relationship blong him, met een boss blong him. Met een man waar je own him, time him he slave. Christen he got good fella relationship with him Papa God, and he love him too much. Hem je nou reason we slave, man blong walk, he must honor boss, no master blong him. From him he love him Papa God. Blong all man, all he knows how we talk no good long name blong God. From where man where you all bout, and he look you me where you me Christian, and time you me know talk no good, or you me no walk no good long boss blong you me. What is have talk no good long name blong God. More especially time was he Christian. From long time, ja, slave, or man blong work, he brother blong boss blong him. But you fell he ting where him he wants more something no more, he no important to us. He about walk blong you fella no more. But Paul he tell him strong long Timothy, you must teach him all man long him. Long vas 3 more 4 Paul he tell him, but man where he teach him narre fella talk about relationship long man blow walk with een bos blong him. Man ja, hem he knows have something nothing, maar hem he proud to mas. Allee, might you me think where Paul he knows that talk about one doctrine way important to us. Example, long one doctrine way important. But Jesus is Ted Piccanini blong God. But Paul he talk about walk no more. But long place ja hem he so out. But long o get a half blow life blong you me. You me must follow him talk blong God. From her fast and blong walk blong man. He too half blong all good for the two talk blong God. And verse 5 he so out where man all sin. But he no walk long fasten where Jesus he teach him. And he man no good. And he walk him plenty rubbish fasten. Long verse 5 you me stop reading. Verse 5 he tell him out. Maar all time all he stop rauw. Bij hem je vasten blong al man, bij ting blong al get he no straight. Maar all he knows have he want him something all he stop talk about. All he stop think say vasten blong je me blong believe. Blong God he one road blong win him money. Blong come rich man. So vasten verse 5 he saw him out. Waar man al sem. Where he no walk long fasten where Jesus he teach him. Hem he man no good. Hem he walk him plenty rabbies fasten. So van him now he good fella fasten blong life blong man blong God. Verse 6 he tell him out fasten ja. God where money hire him good long one him something where hem he got. All he no talk about rich man. All he no talk about poor man. Hem he no talk about man where he healthy. No man where he sick. Paul he talk about man where he join in belief blong him, godliness, belief blong him, met hem vassen blong haar hem goed long wan hem something where hem he got, hem he contentment. Vassen blong haar hem goed long wan hem something where hem he got. He no talk about where hem he want him, he talk about where hem he got. Every something where he stop long house blong him. He no talk about every something where he stop long house blong neighbor blong him, or brother blong him. Or every something where he stop long one house blong rich man where hem he save. He talk about where hem he got. So time you two fella vassen, ja, godliness, more contentment. Time two fella vassen, ja, he join him. Now man, ja, ik has een plenty something. Hem he glad. Hem he glad. Hem he got kakai, more close. Now hem he got enough. Now hem he haar hem good. Well, verse 8 he tell him out. Verse 8 he tell him, but suppose you me got kakai blong you me, more close blong you me, hem ja enough. You me save haar hem good. Van man ja too. Hem he save we time hem he born, I kam long bo ja, you me no haar hem want something. More hem he save, but time hem he did, van by hem he no haar hem want something and go with him. Hem je nou? So man where he no got ting ja, als a man where he want him come rich man. Vast een ja, you make him all get a fall down. He also in proverb, long or proverb 23:5. Or proverb 23 verse 5. Money blong you, bamba he fly, quick time no more. He go. Also in pigeon where he fly, he go. Be he no sin blong come rich man. It was 10 he tell him out clear good. Vast en blong like him money to mas. Hem he stamma blong al getta, vast en no good. Plenty man he tell him proverb ja, where Paul he tell him out long place ja. Hem he change him small. Money is tamba blong al getta, vast en no good. But talk to blong God he know all sim. Money all right. Long man blong believe money one blessing long God. Hem he no must love him money. Now bambai hem he fall down. Long preacher, chapter 7. Hem he talk about money too. Plenty place long Bible he talk about money. A preacher, chapter 7, verse 11 more 12. Book, the preacher. Verse 7, chapter 7, verse 11, custom 12. Wise, he want something where he good. You me everyone he custom. Suppose you custom wise, hem you all send where you custom ground blong papa blong you, with him all get a something where he stop long him. Where hem he promise finish, so bambai he blong you. Money is have a give hand blong make him life blong you he good. But wise too is have make him something, yeah. But hem is have go more. Hem is have make him wel life blong you bamba. Hem is have make him wel life blong you bamba is stap good always. Money he knows have make him life blong you he good always. Sometimes money he no give her nothing. He make him naraman jealous long life long you. More als you may read him long fast Timoti. You may know save karaman something. What time you me did, bamba you me know karaman something go betem you me. Time you me did, you me go stop with him Papa God. More time you may stop with him. Suppose you may save him plenty something where he stop long heaven, where every something he stop good. Or same you may read them long, we think in Matthew 7. So preacher ja, long chapter 7 and we compare him money no ground with him wise no save. Wise he plenty good more, me hem ja nou wat Paul tell him Timoti, long teach him, long church, long Ephesus. Suppose money no wise, hem he full him fassen, long like him money to mas. More easy to mas, long go away, long fassen, long believe. Hem je nou sad to mas. For me plenty man, or sem, he go away finish, long fassen, long believe. When we last talked long Paul, long Timothy about every something, yeah? Verse 11. Verse 11 he last talk. And we tell him out, Be you man blong God, Bamba you no go close up long all something, yeah. You must try hard, blong make him all steadfasten, maar blong vol him all fasten, blong pray where God he want him. Believe blong you he must strong. Maar you must love him all man. You must hold him walk, ja, go kas him en blong him. Maar you must come one quiet man. Zijn je nou man where Paul talk about long Timothy? And we now talk about poor man. And we now talk about rich man. And we now talk about man where he healthy, no man where he sick. And we don't talk about man where he talk too much or where he no talk too much. Paul talk about one man where he join in belief blong him, godliness, met hem vassen, blong haar hem goed, blong won hem something bij hem he got. Contentment. Man ja, he got every something bij hem he need him. Blong stap, blong life, long one vassen, where he make him God haar hem good. We read in verse 11 back again. Maar hem je nou encouragement long all man, where je man blong God. Where je want a man blong God. Die encouragement long piccanini, more young fella. When hem nou, he goal blong you, long life blong you. Time you come a rich man, you have some rich man. Ben nou ja, or get he poor. He poor man. From money he fly away. Money no stop. Wise, mosave, hem ja nou he stop. So back again long verse 11. By you, man blong God, bamba you no go close up, blong all something ja. All fasten where money want to come. Rich man, where he like a money too much. You must try hard, blong make him all straight fasten. Or blong vol him all fasten, blong pray where God he want him. Believe blong you he must strong. But you must love him all man. You must hold him walk, ja, go kas him en blong him. But you must come one quiet man. Hem je nou small talk long verse 76, verse 1, custom 10. About contentment. Paul talk about fasten blong life where he good blong face blong God. Or where he make him God harm good. So pray blong me where you harm talk ja. Or where together with him all man blong God where he come where he study word blong him, especially long passage ja, where you learn him where hem je nou vassen where God he love him too much. Dan hem je look hem long man blong hem. Long man blong walk. Long woman where he look where he stop long house, more piccanini where he stop long house, not go to school. Every something, yeah. Where you me content. Content met hem vassen. Yeah, where time you join him, believe long you. Where met hem vassen waar man niet glad, where you glad long stap long vassen waar God die find in you. Emiana, thank you Thomas.